Peanuts Battle for Gmail's Fantasy 2024, where fun content is the place to be. Where in the world do you suppose they're going? This is a good place. Okay, Linus, now we put on our dark glasses and we look at the sun.
Huh?
Do you see it? It's eclipsing! It's eclipsing! Isn't that marvelous? Oh, good grief. Now, when you take off your glasses, the eclipse stops. See? I can't stand it. Now put them on again. See? It's eclipsing! It's eclipsing! Poor Linus. He'll have to go to school twice, as long as everybody else. It'll take him 12 years to unlearn everything Lucy's been teaching him. We've got to have a rights fielder, don't we? Go ahead, ask her. I think I'd almost rather forfeit the game. No good can possibly come of this. Lucy, how would you like to be a substitute? I don't think I would. I've always wanted to be a nurse. That's not what I mean. We're short one player. We need you for right field. Oh. The sun is pretty bright out there, so you better wear these dark glasses. Even though I don't know what's going on, I feel real professional. These glasses would be perfect if an eclipse came along. I've never really seen an eclipse. There just might be one all ready to come along. Hey, Charlie Brown! Here, take your old dark glasses. I think they're bad for my eyes. They give me a headache! Hello, Snoopy and Flower fans! This is Peanuts in Battle for Gmode's Fanatic 2024. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more fun content. And you better do all those 3 steps or else I'll kick you in the nose, send you into outer space, and listen to Dancing Under the Golden Rainbow for 24 hours, color you in rainbow, etc. And you need to do all these 3 steps to get me to 2,000 subscribers and 3,000 subscribers in the future. So, yeah, do what I say. And thanks to all of the wonderful fans that have already subscribed to the Peanuts in Battle for Gmode's Fanatic 2024 YouTube channel. And if you guys haven't, we really need your support. YouTube recognizes our success by subscribers. Please, we want to keep creating for you every single day. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun videos. Goodbye everyone, see you next time.